All right, I'm gonna act as Peter and you just repeat after me. Peter's gonna say, are you ready for today's lessons? And you're gonna salute with your right hand. Yes, Peter. And just repeat his movements. I won't grow up, I won't grow up. I don't wanna go to school, I don't wanna go to school just to learn to be a parrot, just to learn to be a parrot. And moose hands, recite a silly rule and recite a silly rule. And then everyone's gonna kind of come together. If growing up means it would be beneath my dignity to climb a tree, I'll never grow up, never grow up, never grow. That's the one where you do this. Grow up, not me. John's gonna step forward, not I. Peter's gonna go, not me. And then all the boys are gonna lightly push John, kind of joking with him, not me, because they're kind of bullying him. Anyways, Peter, I won't grow up, I won't grow up. I don't want to wear a tie, I don't want to wear a tie. Or a serious expression, serious expression. In the middle of July, in the middle of July. And fighting stance. And if it means I must prepare to shoulder burden with a worried air, I'll never grow up, never grow up, never grow up. Peter just does this, not me. John, not I. Boys, you're just gonna yell at him, not me. So there. Never gonna be a man. Peter's just gonna be crossing the stage, but the boys are gonna say, I won't, like you're promising. Peter, like to see somebody try. Boys, and make me, fighting stance. Anybody wants to try and make me turn into a man. Catch me if you can. Maybe Becca's gonna be doing a cartwheel and you're gonna be like trying to catch him. It's very short, so it's just very short. And that's during Catch Me If You Can, I won't grow up, I won't grow up. You're going to tiptoe on this next line. Not a penny will I pinch, not a penny will I pinch. I will never grow a mustache. I will never grow a mustache. Or, this is, here, you're gonna stand up for this, but so you can see me in the video. Or a fraction of an inch, or a fraction of an inch. So do that while standing. 'Cause this part, you're gonna be skipping in a circle. 'Cause growing up is awfuler than all the awful things that ever were. I'll never grow up, never grow up, never grow up. No, sir. Peter's gonna sit. Michael and John, not I, are gonna sit. So there. Then everybody else is gonna sit. And you're gonna be looking, this is to the back. Your back is to the audience. And we're gonna be looking up at Curly. Curly, you're gonna do this. I won't grow up, I won't grow up. I will never even try, never even try. I will do what Peter tells me. You're gonna point to Peter. I will do what Peter tells me. And I'll never ask him why. And I'll never ask him why. Then they're gonna switch places with the twins. Twins are now gonna be standing up here. Everyone else is sitting down. Twins, you're gonna be, punching the audience. We won't grow up. We won't grow up. You're gonna put your arms around your twin. And, we will never grow a day. Never grow a day. And if someone tries to make us, we will simply run away. We will simply run away. And during this part, the boys, everyone else is just sitting and watching. You're not repeating these movements. Then Slightly comes up and he kind of pushes through the twins. And that's when he says, I won't grow up, I won't grow up. No, I promise that I won't. No, I promise that I won't. I will stay a boy forever. Just being excited. I will stay a boy forever. Peter's gonna look towards the audience and be banished if I don't. All the boys are gonna get up and be banished if I don't. And then we're gonna be very calm and pretty like a choir. And you're just gonna sing to the audience. And Neverland will always be the home of youth and joy and liberty. For this next part, you're just gonna dance crazy. I'll never grow up, never grow up, never grow up. Michael and John start. Everyone's putting their hands in like a team hooray. Michael and John, not me. Twins, not me. Slightly and Curly, not me. Peter, no sir, not me. However, whatever note that is. So that last not me, everyone is, hands are raised, and then you're gonna crumple on the ground, laughing and just like, oh, that was so funny, ha ha ha, and just make that noise like you're happy. And that is this song.